Artwork number. Soft shadows stretch. The dog's long, smooth fur and the shadows in the painting evoke a soft and profound texture. The posture of its front paw, stretched diagonally toward the left, conveys a sense of both movement and relaxation, creating a harmonious atmosphere.